First, go to the Google and search CHIRPS. Then, click on the first link. Next, go to the Dataset tab. Find the title CHIRPS 3 Data and click on it. After that, choose the dataset you need, for example, annual data. Click the link. Now, select the area such as global. Then, choose the TIFF raster file format. Next, select the year you need for your project. Click the download the data. Once the download is complete, open ArcMap software. Now create multiple data frames for the downloaded years. Rename each data frame for easy understanding. Then add the raster files one by one into each data frame. After that, go to Print View. Open Page Setup and adjust the layout. Arrange the 4 data frames neatly like this. Next, apply Symbology to the raster layers. Follow the same steps for each raster. Remember, use the same Symbology for all 4 rasters to clearly compare precipitation patterns. Now, add text labels to make the map easy to read. Then insert a north arrow for each data frame. Add a suitable title to your map. Next, insert legends for all 4 data frames and align them properly. Finally, adjust everything neatly and export or print your final map layout. Thank you for watching. Mapora. Learning made easy.